Hey guys, welcome to the Citing channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can cite your video in APA style. So let's go to video first. Here's I found an video or online channel. Now all you have to just go to open your Microsoft Word and you have to follow this instruction. YouTube video here, you have to put the author name, then the last name first and the second name, the name of channel, the year, month, day, the title of the video or the URL. Okay, so I'm putting here the example. You can see I'll first write here the author name. So I found this channel. Now I'm gonna find the author name. What's the name? Let's check it out. Let's play a video first.
Today, we're going to format an annotated bibliography.
Not, I don't find here her name. Sometime in video they announce their name. So let's find one.
Today, you're going to learn how to format an annotated.
Not really. Okay, if you don't find like this, then you can go here about, then you'll find here the name. You can see welcome to the smart student channel. She is Chelsea. Okay, so you can name her Chelsea. So use the name here, author Chelsea. The second name. What's the first name? The first name should be checking on videos now. Okay, find one. You can see.
Hello there. My name is Chelsea Seaburn. Welcome.
Here's the name. You'll find Chelsea Seaburn. So let's go out now. We got the name. Chelsea Seaburn. So Seaburn will be first and Chelsea will be second. Seaburn C. Now the name of channel here. The name of channel should be like
Hello there. My name is Chelsea Seaburn. Welcome to this.
Okay, smart student. You can write here the smart student in the bracket. Alright, now year, month, day. The video was uploaded. Let's check. Like this video. Go here to check. October 15, 2023. 15th October. October 2023. Bracket it. Title. The name of the title you find here. The first name. The title is this one. You can copy it and you can paste it here. Okay, it's not like that. If it's like that, then you can do one thing. Open your notepad, paste it here, then you can just make copy, Ctrl C, then just go here, Ctrl V. Title of video is done. Now you have to put the YouTube URL. So this is simple. Go here and find it, share. You'll find here YouTube URL, copy it and copy, paste. You're done. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.